outstanding match play by all alliances so far. This match will determine who moves on to the finals. On the red end, we've got Newton. On the blue, Curie. Newton looking to move up into the top two. Curie is already there. They want to stay there to move on. We begin on the red alliance at Team 1671.
Out of Clovis, California, the Buchanan Bird Brains.
The alliance partners, Team 118.
Out of League City, Texas, the Robonauts.
And rounding out Newton, Team 1678.
From Davis, California, the Citrus Circus.
Over on blue, the Curie Alliance. Welcome back, Team 1114.
Out of St. Catharines, Ontario, it's Symbotics.
Pride of Texas, Team 118, 148.
From Greenville, Texas, the Robo Wranglers.
And rounding out the Curie Alliance, Team 1923.
From Plainsboro, New Jersey, the Midnight Inventors.
Semi-final 6, about to begin. Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, rush.
This is it. Let's name our last finalists. Mayhem right in the middle of the field as 118 and 1678 claim 3 of the 4 recycling containers. 148 moving in autonomous. Autonomous drivers now step to the controls. Semifinal 6 here on Einstein, Mass. 1923 gets a hold of that last recycling container from midfield as 118 uses one that fell onto the red side, moves immediately to the landfill, begins stacking from underneath, able to pick up right off the floor. 1678, the UC Davis machine at 1671. The Buchanan Bird Brains also out of California, working the human player stations on the red side of the field. 118 Symbotics may be the fastest landfill loader in this competition. Already 4 high, but they just lose control of that recycling container as their partner. 148 scores the first 42-point stack. 1671 trying to match them on the red side. We've already got 10 points scored for red. 1671 backs away. That's 42 points up and scored. The red side of the field, our Newton team, currently the number 4 ranked team. The top 2 move on to the finals. On the blue side, the team from Curie is ranked number 2 into the finals as it stands right now. As we come up on 1 minute to go, semifinal 6. A 36-point stack on the far side scored for red as 1678. The Citrus Circuits, able to put up another 36-point stack. 148 matches them for blue, 142 scored. Symbotics, 114 wobbling around. They sit it down, a good 42 points scored for blue. Right at 40 seconds to go, 118, the Robonauts out of League City, Texas, working the landfill, able to put 30 points on the board for red. Live scoring, not always official, 154, 141 in favor of red as we dip under 30 seconds now. 148, the Robo Wranglers, another 42-point stack on the board for the blue team. And we've got another 42 on red from 1671. Symbotics back to the landfill zone, working as fast as they can. Every point matters when you're talking about average scores. 118, the Robonauts out of League City. Last second scoring, we're under 10 seconds. 114 just loses that stack. 12 points scored with 2, 1. That'll do it for semifinal 6. 12 last second points scored for blue. The referees will get our final score. We will get you our 2 finalists for Einstein. Score on its way, 240 for red, 210 for blue. You see our final rankings there. The top 2 moving on to the Einstein finals. Our teams from Hopper and our teams from Newton. Curie looking in by 1.66 average score.